In 1938, Silas Blackwood bought a typewriter at an estate sale. It was an old Underwood, heavy, black, and covered in dust. He took it home, started writing, but the words weren't his. The typewriter wrote dark stories, tales of murder, obsession, madness. Silas tried to stop it, but the keys moved on their own. The words appeared. Blood-red ink stained the page. He started losing sleep. He researched the typewriter's history. It belonged to a famous horror writer, Edgar Crowe. Crowe vanished in 1927. His last story was never finished. Legend said he was driven mad by the typewriter itself. Silas realized something terrifying. The typewriter was finishing Crowe's last story. Through Silas. As Silas typed the final word, a ghostly figure appeared. Crowe's ghost. He smiled. The typewriter went silent. Silas was free. But the story remains unfinished to anyone who dares to use the haunted typewriter. People say you can still hear it at night.